Have you ever wondered just how much punishment your monitor could take before it gives up the ghost? It's not your everyday thought process, but it's a curious question nonetheless. What if your monitor had to withstand, say, a direct impact from a 16-kilogram bomb? Sounds outrageous, doesn't it? Well, it's this outrageous curiosity that we're going to dive into today. So buckle up because we're about to embark on a wild ride. Well, today, we're going to find out exactly how we might achieve this seemingly impossible feat. First, to understand how to protect a monitor, we need to understand what a monitor is made of. It's not just a flat screen that displays colorful images, but a complex piece of technology with several integral parts. At the front, we have the screen. This is where all the action happens. It's made up of liquid crystal display or LED panels, depending on your monitor type, which are responsible for producing the vibrant images you see. Next, we have the casing, which is the monitor's outer shell. This is typically made of plastic or metal and is designed to protect the delicate internal components from external damage. It also gives the monitor its sleek and modern appearance. Inside the casing, we find the internal components. This includes the motherboard, which controls the monitor's functions, the power supply unit that powers the monitor, and the inverter board that controls the backlight of the screen. Then there's the stand, often overlooked but vital for keeping your monitor upright and at a comfortable viewing angle. And let's not forget the cables and connectors, which link your monitor to your computer and power source. These are the fundamental parts of a monitor, each with its own role and each needing protection in its own way. Now that we know what we're dealing with, let's move on to the next step. Here are some general suggestions we had looked up for you. Protective shielding. Consider placing your monitor behind a protective barrier or shield made from blast-resistant materials such as reinforced glass or metal. This shield can help mitigate the impact of debris or shock waves from an explosion. Shock absorption. Use shock-absorbing mounts or stands to cushion the monitor and reduce the effects of shock waves. Explosion-resistant enclosure. Invest in a specialized explosion-resistant enclosure designed to withstand blasts. These enclosures are often used in high-risk environments such as military installations or industrial facilities. Regular maintenance. Ensure that your monitor is properly maintained and inspected regularly to identify any potential weaknesses or vulnerabilities that could compromise its resilience to explosions. It's important to note that while these measures can help improve the resilience of your monitor, with the information we have provided you and had looked up, there is currently no monitor available that can be guaranteed to be completely resistant to the effects of explosions. So there you have it. How to make a monitor durable enough to survive a direct impact of a 16-kilogram bomb. We've journeyed through the intricate anatomy of a monitor, understanding the delicate components that make up this everyday device. We've also delved into the extensive protective measures, exploring the various materials and techniques that could potentially shield our monitor from such a devastating impact. It's been quite an adventure, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the realm of technology. In conclusion, while such an endeavor is fascinating from a theoretical, I must reiterate that this is not something to be attempted in reality. The risks are simply too great. Remember, this was a theoretical exercise and not something to be tried at home. Stay safe and keep exploring the limits of technology. Don't forget to subscribe to TechnoStudios and please feel free to leave a like and share with your friends and/or family this video.